Hare Krishna, welcome to you all to my channel. Today we'll learn about Power Query. So first we'll open the Power BI, start Power BI desktop, open it. So once it is opened, click on blank report. Once you are here, come here, get data, click to Excel workbook and will bring one sheet named employee data. It is connecting, it will bring it. So you can see the sheet has come up and you have to select this one. Now once it is checked, you can see all the data over here. This are the data we have to click here, transform data. Now here you can see query area where whatever we will just bring to the Power BI, it will show like this, and here sheet 1 is showing. Here you can see how many columns are there, how many rows are there, and then here you can see preview download at 1638. Then you can see some applet steps. What are the steps we are apply source, navigation, prompt headers and change type. And then you can see the name on the properties area. You can see this one. So first we change the name over here and like employee MP data. Alright, that will be the name of the sheet. Hit enter. You can change the name from here. At the same time you can change it here. If you come here and double click over here, you can change the name of the sheet from here as well. Now here we can see all the ribbon area, right? So this is the ribbon area, and here you can see small groups like new query, data sources, parameters, query, manage columns, reduce rows, sort, transform. So all these are ribbons. These are all tabs. Okay, so these are all tabs. Now inside this small group area you can see all this stuff. These are commands. Okay, so like query, manage columns, these are all commands. Now suppose you are not getting this query settings part, it is not showing. In that case, what should be done? So come to this view area, you can see view tab, come here, click here, you can see query settings. Because it is showing for me, I am not going to do anything. It may happen that you are not getting this, so in that case you have to click here by coming to this view tab, so it will come for you. Next, this formula bar, it may happen you are not getting this formula bar as well. So you can see it is gone because I unchecked it. Now check this so that you can get the formula bar as well. So it has come. Next comes monospace. Now this is for developer, those who are developing. You can do, if you can click, you can see all the style of the letters and the columns has changed. So it is not required for me, so I'm unchecking it. Column quality, if you click on here, you can see how your column data are. That means they are healthy or not healthy. You can get to know from that. It is very much required for the data optimization. One part is there for Power BI data optimization. For that, it is very much required. You can see it is showing valid 100%. That means columns are healthy. If you are having error, so in case of error, you'll have this green with red over here. And in case of empty, you'll find green, red and empty in a strip. So because you are getting all the green strip in between these two columns and all the columns area, so that means your columns are all healthy. So you can uncheck it, you can click like that and get to know. Now come to distinct column, that is column distribution. If you click here, you can see distinct values, 100 unique values, 86 distinct values, 72 unique values, like that, 10, 0, 10, 100 and 99, 98. So what does this mean? So in Power BI, the distinct refer to total number of different values in a column regardless of how many times they appear. That is a distinct. And while unique refers to the number of values that appear only once in a column. So that is the difference. So as explanation you can understand like this, where distinct counts each unique value only once, even if it appears multiple times in the data set. Used to get the count of different values in a column. For example, you can say if a column contains apple, banana, apple, orange, so the distinct count would be 3, that is apple, banana and orange. Now come to the unique values. So unique values count values that appears only once in the column and used to find the values or rows that occurs exactly once. Like in the example we have just seen, the unique count would be 1, that is orange, as it was appeared only once. Okay, now to remember between distinct and unique, you can remember like this. Distinct means how many different values exist and for unique how many values appear only once. So that's how you can remember. So once this is done, we are just unchecking it. Now another one more thing you need to remember, that unique can be distinct, but distinct cannot be unique. Like if I click here, you can see 100 distinct, 100 unique. Because there are no repetition of this name or employee ID in this column, you can see all are distinct data at the same time, they are all unique data. Alright, so that's how it is. Now come to this go to column part. Maybe you are having very big data, in that case you will not be able to find the column name. So in that case what we'll do, click here first. Here you'll get all the column names whatever are available in this particular sheet. So for that, suppose we are going to column name of date of joining. So directly if I go there, click there, or just write the name of it and click OK, so it will be directly land up to that particular column. It will take you there. Then comes query dependency. Now query dependency is very important part. It will show you what is the data name, from where you have brought it, from your PC, from other server, from Google Drive, from where you have brought it to this Power Query, and what is the name of the data. Why it is showing not loaded? Because I am still in ETL. Transform and load is not been done. So only extracted. So that's why it's like not loaded. It's still in Power Query, but it's not in editor as of now. So that's a brief of it. Now let's move to the home tab. So we are going to split this column employee ID. So how to do that? So there are three options through which you can do that. First is this one, split column. You can see this option. Second, come to transform. You can see split column here, the second option. Again come here, or come here, go to right click, and you can see split column here. So any three option you can use to split the column. So right now I'm going to do it from home tab. So I'm in home tab and I have selected this column. You can see only delimiter we have like space. This is a common part here. So through that we are going to split this column with employee ID and name. It will be different, but it is as it is together. I am going to split it. So what I'll do, I'll come here, click on the split column. Now here also you can see many options are available, like by delimiter, by number of characters you can do, by positions you can do, lowercase, uppercase to lowercase, and in case of days are in the front and your text is later, you can select this one. And if in case non-digit to digit, that means text is the first one and second is digit, so that way you can do also. So I'm selecting this one for the timing, and once I select this, you can see system has brought up this pop-up and it is showing me that select enter the delimiter by space. Now if you select here, there are so many options available as well. You can select as per your requirement, and you can do custom as well. So because system has brought space, I'll be going with space only. It's a correct one. Again you can split at this way, leftmost delimiter, rightmost delimiter, or each occurrence to the delimiter. So these are the options you are having in the Power BI to do this. So I'm selecting this one. As of now only one space is there, so I'm selecting this one, leftmost character, and click on OK. Now once you do that, you can see this column has been splitted, right? Employee ID is separate and name column is got separated. Now moving to the next part, it is showing like employee ID for column 1 and column 2 employee ID.2. So I'm going to change this name. How to do that? There are three ways to do it. So first way is go to transform, click here, and click this rename part. You name it as EMP ID. Okay, that's the, and hit enter. So that's the first one. Second way is you can come here and you can select this one, go to right click, you can see rename is here, this one, you can do that way. And the third way, another way you can do that, just come and select this column, double click on it and make it EMP name. So that is the way you can do, and hit enter. Now I'm going to change this employee name tab as Dr. List, say doc_list, hit enter, and I want to put dr dot in front of all the names. Okay, so I'm going to transform, tab and then come to test column group and then come to format command, click here. You can see prefix, add prefix, click here. Now I'll be writing dr dot space. So I am using 4 characters over here. dr 1 2, third character is dot, fourth is space, and click OK. So you can see all the column name and is changed to dr list. Now suppose I am going to use in engineering list. So for that, how can I do that? First I change it to engg list. Now first in that case I have to remove this dr. So how to do that? You can see added prefix, just click here. So it is showing. Do you want to delete it? Yes. So it's gone, doctor is gone. Now again you have to come to transform and then format, click here, add suffix. Now in generally we are using suffix, so I'll put a space first. Now space and then engg dot and click OK. So you can see now it is changed to new, and before that one space is given, okay, for all the columns. So that's how we can do this. Now again I am moving into doctor list and removing this. So first I remove this, added suffix, remove that one. Now change this name to doc list, then list, hit enter, and again I'll come to this transform tab, go to format and add prefix, again dr dot space. So that's how we can do that. Now we'll come to the city part, and I want to change the name of Indore with Pune. I mean I need to replace it with Pune. Okay, so how to do that? There are 3 ways you can do that. First, you can select this one, then click on right click, then you can see replace values. That you can do, but I recommend not to do that, because in that case again you have to select all full column, then you have to do that. It is not recommended. Yes, and one way. Second way is go to transform tab. You can see replace values here also. From here also you can do. And the third way is go to home tab and select the city, this part. Come to this replace values. You can see, select here. Here you can write the value, whatever value you want to change, and put the name. Like I am going to replace Indore, Pune, and I'll click OK. Go now to see where for Indore. Now it is Pune. So these were all Indore, 1 2 3 4 5. Now it is replaced with Pune. Alright, so that's how we can do that. And another easiest way to do that is, now suppose I want to make this Pune to Indore once again. So how to do that is the easiest method. Now do that, just come here wherever you want to change, come to any cell, select the cell, and then you can go to transform or home tab, or whatever tab you want to go, and then go to this replace values, click here. You can see Pune is by default selected. Now I'm going to change it to Indore once again. So just click OK. So wherever it will find Pune, it will replace with Indore. So now again if you can come down, you will see all the Pune has been replaced with Indore. Okay, so that's how we can do. Now suppose I want to change this UK country area. UK I want to replace with India. How to do that? Just select any of the UK from this country area. Select this one. Again go to replace values, and here I'll write India, and it will be done. So now you can come here. You see all the UK has been replaced with India. Okay, India. You can see India. So all has been changed to India. Now to return back to the previous state, 2 ways again. Either you can select here and go to the replace values. There is one way. Another way to do that is just undo it. How to do that? You can see replace value 6. You can see this one. So just uncheck this and click that. So you can see all the India has gone again. So it has come back to UK. So like that you can do. Now suppose in the contact column I want to change this country code of 91 with some other country code. So how to do that? So you can select the contact column and you can come to this transform tab, then you can come to this format. You can see add prefix, Here you can write the country column you want to put. I'm not doing, I can do that and try it on your own, and put me in the comment the video how it is done and what you have find difficulty, so that I can help you out on that. So that's how you can do. So it's already been written country code plus 91, so I'm not doing anything over here. I'm keeping it as it is. Now I'm going to split this one, this column you can see DR. I'm going to split DR from this name, and I want this name to be kept separated way. And how to do that? See, there are ways to do it, but the thing is that before I proceed, you should know a few things over here. It's very important. If you can see add column and transform these two tabs, there are few options are common. Like add column, you can see from date and time this area. Here transform, if you can see this one, date time column. Again go to add column, you can see from number, right? Trigonometry, statistics, all this stuff. You can come here, you will see here number column. These are all common. Now here again you can come, you can see extract part, format, all this stuff, forms text. Now come here, here also you can see like split column is not there. Apart from that, text column, it is all common. So now question is, these two are same in that case. Can we use the same option in a single situation? No. It is depending upon our situation how we are going to use it. So suppose I am going to split this one, right? Doctor list with the doctor and name. Separate I want to use. How to do that? Now to do that, I have to come here, add column, then come to extract, and you can see text after delimiter. What is our delimiter over here? It's space, right? So how to do that? Click here. Now it is asking what is your delimiter. So my delimiter is space. So I'll put one space bar so that it will take the delimiter. So it will be like this. It may not be seen by you, but already been taken. Like I'm going backspace to show you once again. So there's the delimiter. So now press OK. Now you can see no change has been created over here. Now you may ask, then what's the use of it? No, it is done. Why it is done? It has come to the additional column like this. It is done, but additionally it has generated another column. It is not done any sort of change over this existing column. It will come to the last tab. You can see also inserted text after delimiter. It has come here. I'm not doing it just to show you. I just did. So I'll just uncheck so that it will be come back to the same way. There is undo. So let's proceed for the next part. I'm going to do the same thing with transform tab. How to do? Come here, create the column, and then come to transform, and then again you can see extract here. Click here. Here also same option is there, so you can do that. After text after delimiter, okay. Click that. Again, give one space. Click OK. Now see the changes. It has done in the existing column. It has not created any separate column for this. It has directly shifted and changed it in this particular existing column. Okay. So I'm again undoing it by clicking here. So it has brought back the data by undo. So moving on to the next part. Now I will do sorting over this particular column. So for that I am going to first split it, like selecting here, then go to this extract, text after delimiter. I am just removing the space, and so that I can get the name over here. So it is done. Now I'm going to sort it. So how to sort? Come to the home tab, and you can see this A to Z or Z to A button sort over here. You can select A to Z. You can see the data has been changed like A, then B, like that, alphabetical order, right? And same way, if I change it to Z to A, it will give me the back order, starting from Z, W, like that. Okay, so that's how we can do. Now I want to create a duplicate copy of this employee data sheet. How to do that? Two ways I can do this. First is come to home tab, select this sheet, then home tab, and you come here, manage, click here, it will be done. This is the one way. Another way is directly come here, right click on it and click duplicate. So it will create and duplicate data for the same sheet. Alright. So that's how we can do this. Now remove one column from the particular sheet. How to do that? Just come here. We'll select this one, employee data, and I want to delete this one, employee ID. How to delete? So you can come here, home tab, and then after selecting this column, remove columns. You can see, click that, it will be deleted. Now suppose I want to remove other columns except two columns, like I want to keep this doctor list and date of joining. Rest I want to remove. So how to do that? So once I'll select these two columns because I want to keep these two, and others I want to remove. So I'll select these two. Come here again, home tab, remove columns. So what it will do, it will keep these two. Since doctor list and date of joining will be here, rest these three columns will be deleted. So let's do that. Just select and click this. You can see only doctor list and date of joining is there, rest are removed. So I'm not doing it again. Now select this one and let's come to the transform tab, and let's say we are here. So I'm going to make it the lowercase, all of them. You can see all of them are lowercase now. Then come here, make them uppercase, all of them uppercase now. Again come here, capitalize each word, so only first letter will be capital and rest are same. So that you can do. Next you can do is you can to extract, you can like length you can calculate first character, last character. These are on a range also done. Then text before deleting, we have done this. So these are the options we have. Now let's say I want to extract only last three characters from this column. So how to do that? Select this column, come here, extract, and last three characters. So last characters I'm choosing, and then I'm making here 3. So only HANINA, the last three characters will be there. So click OK. You can see HANINA, INER, like this. It has been done. So I'm just removing this check, so it will be undone. So that's how it is done. Now suppose I want to create a duplicate of this column in this particular sheet. How to do that? Come here, add column, and you can see duplicate column. Click here. So one duplicate has been created for you. Same like this doc list. It is like doc list copy. So I'm again removing this. Keep it as same. Now from this data we'll keep now 2 columns and rest will remove. How to do that? Come to home tab first and then go to this choose column. It's a very good option. Choose columns. So it will give you all the details of the columns. So I'm removing this one. I'll keep city and text of a delimiter, these two. So click OK. So rest are gone. It is kept only like this, and this column I'm going to like last 3 characters, count 3, click OK. So only last 3 characters are there. So like this we can do. Now I will go to sheet 2, that is duplicate sheet, and name it as date. Hit enter. So name it changed as date. Here we'll keep only date of joining, rest will remove. So we'll come here, home tab, and we'll choose column, remove all the column, just date of joining will keep. So click OK. It is there only. Now once we've done, we'll make separate column for here. So how to do that? I can do it from transform, but transform I am not going to use it because if I do that it would be changing over here only single column. So I don't want it. I want it in a separate column. For that I'll go here, add column, and then I'll come here date and click on here, click here. So you can see here is getting separated. Click here. Again I'm going to date and I want to make a month. So click here, month is come down. Again go here, again go here, and from here I want to say days in month. It will come like this. Now again go to DOJ and then date, then month, name of the month. Again go to DOJ, select this month and quarter. You can say quarter of the year, so it is given like this. Then again go to DOJ, go to date, then week of the year. Week of the year has come. Again go to DOJ, then go to week, and then week of the month, that also come. Again go to DOJ, date, day. Again go to DOJ, and then day of week. It has also come. Now once this is done, go here, DOJ, day of the year. That has also come. Then again go to DOJ, date, and then day, and then name of the day. That has come. Okay. Now this is required very much for your analysis of the data, so that's the reason we are doing this. It's very important part. So once this is done, we come to home tab and then come to enter data. Okay, so now before doing that, we will come to remove rows. I have selected this one and I'm going to remove top 2 rows. So for that, remove top rows. If I come here and click here, number of rows, so I'm going to remove these 2 rows, first 2 rows, so I'm writing 2. Click OK. So first 2 rows has been gone. If you want to keep it back, you can click here, so it will be written like this, like undo. So before it was 100 rows, now you can see it's 90 rows it's showing. I'm going to remove rows from the bottom, so for that I've come here and you can see remove bottom rows. I'll remove 4 rows, so just 4, so it will be come down to 94. So it is 94 now, so bottom 4 rows has also been removed. Now again you come to home tab and come here, new rows, and we'll select this one, new alternate rows. Now how it is working, first you understand. It is asking like first row to remove, so I'm saying 2, so my starting row will be there, and second it will remove, this row will be removed because I have selected 2, so from here it will start. Now number of rows to remove, how many rows you want to remove, I am saying 3, so it will start from here, 1 row, 1, 2, 3, these 3 row will be removed till 2008. Now how many rows to keep, I am saying 4, so 1, 2, 3 is removed. Now it will be keeping 14, 09, 23 and 2008. So like this it will keep on doing until the whole sheet will be over. That means I have 98 rows, 94 rows now, so it will repeat like loop for the whole sheet and then give me the remaining data as it is. So it can be done for more than 100 rows, maybe lakhs, so it can be done and it is very useful. So do that, click OK. Now after doing this, you can see first row is there and I have 53 rows now left. It was 98, now it is 53. Now come to enter data part, click here and we'll use a supported table over here, so I'm putting like name with title and I'll come here, put name, double clicking it, and then it will be opening for renaming. Add column, gender, name say double click male, then Sirisha, female, Ratan, male, Sumit, male, Umana, female, and say Suraj, male. So once this is done, click on OK. You can see OK. Click on that. So it will create a table for me. So you can see table has been created. Now title is missing. Now how to put it? I'll come to add column and click this condition on column. It will ask the condition. So I'll put the column name as title, and it will ask me condition. So I'm giving if gender equals male, then put Mr. Emma dot, or else put Miss. So click OK. So you can see before adding the mate is Mr., then this are Miss. So all this stuff is already been added. Now my requirement is I want this Mr. should come before adding the man, Miss should come before Sirisha, like that. So what I'll do, I'll select this title and then name, and come to this part, add column, then merge columns. Click here, and separator we want space separator, and merge column name should be name with title, like this. So click OK. So it is done. You can see Mr. Arindam, Miss Sirisha, like this. It has been done. Now to do this, you have to select like this only. This is the process. You have to select like this, which you want to first of your name and which you want to after this. So like that, I have selected title first, then name second, and then went to this merge, and like that I have done this. I'm crossing this out. I don't want to save it, so I'll do this like cross. It is showing that to apply changes. I say not now. So once that is done, it will be gone. And then it is asking like apply changes or discard changes. I'll say discard changes, and then it will say discard. Yes, discard. So my data is clean now completely. Now we'll automate one data. We'll be having sheets from various locations from where company is giving us, and we'll collect all the reports and accordingly we'll automate it. Okay. Now to do that, I have kept 3 sheets with me as of now. Accordingly, when the other locations will update me, so accordingly I'll update here also, but I'll not do the repetitive work. Okay. So for that, what I'll do first, now the data I have kept it here, one folder, another folder I have kept it here. Alright. So what I'll do here, I'll just copy this path first. This is my first job, to extract all this report together to the Power BI. Alright. So copy this path wherever you are keeping these files, minimize it, and come here, Power BI, click get data, go to more. Once this has come, we'll do folder and click on folder, click connect. Now you have to give the path. So as I copied the path, I'll give the path, or else you can do like browse. From here you can go. I have the document here, documents. I have it downloads here. Here you can see this is automatically selected because I have kept this path. So click OK. Now these three files is carrying very small data, but the important part is the structure of the data. So the structure of the data is sales rep and amount. Here one file, again second file same, sales rep and amount, and another file I have kept like this one. Sales rep. Okay, so I just copied the path and paste it here and click OK. Once that is done, system will bring all these three reports. Okay, now once you are here, you have to click. We have four options: format, load, and transform data, cancel. So I'll select transform data. Once that is done, it will come here directly to the transform data. You will get the same content over here, whatever it was there. Now I'll select these two columns and keep these two, rest will delete. So for that I will go to choose column. After selecting this, by click once here and press Ctrl key, select this one also and go to choose columns, and here once it is coming, just keep content and name, rest will delete. Okay, it's fine. Now these two columns are remaining, so I'll do here like I'll select this column. I don't want this .xls format, I only want this three letters. So how to do that? We'll select this one and go to home tab and then go to split column. We'll do by delimiter, and by default it is selected like dot, so I want that also. So from dot it will be either you leftmost, rightmost, whatever side you want to keep or you want to take, you can do that. Just select that one and click OK. So now you can see these are splitted, right? Now here you will delete this column, so I'll choose this column and come here, remove column, remove this one. So once this is done, you can see this binary. So all the types of file, whatever it is, whether it's XLX, whether it is CSV, whatever type of file, it is came down to one format, which is binary. So if you can click, it is showing this much of data here, this much of here, and this much of here. Alright. Now once I am here, I don't want this binary part. I don't want to extract the data from this part. So I'll come here, any of the column, select here, go to add column, and the second option I have to select and click custom column. Here I'll give a name like get data and equals, will write Excel. Once you will write this, automatically this window will open and this analysis will open. Select this one and give a bracket. It is asking whether the workbook is binary. Yes, it is binary. And any content is there? Yes, there is one content. So first we'll select this content and click insert and then put comma. Is it true? It is showing like use headers as many. Do we have the header structure? Yes, we have, so it will be true. Close the bracket and then click OK. So get data, brought back the table. Now once you get this, you can click here, single click to get to know what is inside. It is showing only sheet 1 table, sheet 1 sheet falls like this. Okay, now after that we'll select this one and come to this home tab and new column, remove this column, so you'll get this two only. Now we need to expand this button. You can see, click here, expand, whatever is coming inside, just click OK. Once you do that, you will be getting like this. Now once this is done, you can come here to check the table one by one. So now we got this two now. Now expand this one. Click OK. So all the data has come up now. Now we'll change the name like sales underscore rep. Double click on it as well. Sales underscore AMT. This is city. Okay. I've changed it. Now here you can see it is coming ABC123. You have to click here and keep it as whole number. Okay, you should get 123 only, not ABC123. So data will be correct. Now come here, it is also ABC123. Just click here, keep as text. Okay, there you can see close and apply. Click close and apply. Now you can see the data has come up here. Here you can expand. You can see city, this has come over here now. Now we'll take the chart of clustered column that is come it bigger, and we'll take city and sales amount. So my chart is ready. So now this is ready for 3 cities. Now suppose tomorrow I'll be getting another email from the company that 2 more data has come from other cities. So what to do in that case? And this time we'll not do the repetition, we'll just do a trick over here. And the trick is open the folder. This was our folder, and 2 more data has come up in this folder. So we'll just copy these 2 files, copy it, go back to that previous folder, this folder 2, just paste it here. Once that is done, minimize it, just come here and you can see home button and then refresh. So data is changed. So that's how we can do this. So that's all folks for this one. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, comment it, and don't forget to press the bell button so that whenever I post a new video over here, you'll get the notification of it immediately. Thank you so much for being with me till the end of the video with patience. Thank you so much for your love and support. Stick to my channel, new videos are coming into your way. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol.